chapter percentage. Clear? So before we start, let us understand the term percent. Clear? So the term percent means out of 100, and when we are using percentage, the whole is considered to be made out of 100 equal parts. The symbol of percentage is this. Alright, so these are the statement, but let me explain to you with an example. Alright, so the full mark in maths is how much? Maths is 100, right? And let's say you scored 70 out of 100, which means what? Your percentage in maths is how much? Your percentage is 70%. Clear? So in other words, the total mark 100 has been divided into 100 equal parts. 1 mark 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It goes till 100, and each part is equal to 1%. Clear? That is why when you score 70 in maths, your percentage becomes 70% in mathematics, right? Now let's say that we have let's say this is a cake, right? And it has been divided into 2 equal parts. Clear? And let's say you add this part. That means if I ask you how many percent have you eaten, you will say 50% of the cake. That means half you have eaten already, right? So in this chapter, we'll be trying to find a percentage of various things. Okay, maybe subject, maybe percentage of fruits, maybe percentage of money, and maybe even percentage of boys and girls in the school. Clear? All right, so let's get started. The first question, exercise 9.1. Convert the following fractions into percent, right? Fractions. You can say 2 by 5 is a fraction, right? Also remember, it is also a rational number, right? So they are asking us to convert this fraction into what? Percent, right? So you don't have to do anything. You just have to multiply by 100. Clear? So 2 by 5 into 100, right? And 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Then you're having 2 into 20, which I'm going to get 40, right? Which means this 2 by 5 equals 40%. So you have to do the same thing even with the others. Just multiply by 100. Clear? So 0, 0, then 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 11, 5. I'm going to get here 55%. 11 by 20 means 55%. Clear? Same thing. 3, 4 by 5, right? So you already know how we'll do this. So 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19, right? So 19 by 5, then 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, and when you multiply 19 into 2, you're going to get how much? 38, or 19 into 20, so 380%, right? Once again here, 8 1 by 4, right? So 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33 by 4, right? Then here 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 5s are 20. Then when you multiply 33 into 25, you're going to get 825%. Alright, question number 2. Convert the following percents into fraction. This is the opposite, right? The first question, what did we do? We converted the fractions into percent, right? But the second, we're going to convert this percent into fractions. How do you do? They've given us a 10%, just divide it by 100. Clear? So I can divide 0, 0. I'm going to have 1 by 10. 75%, right? So 70 by 100, right? So let us start dividing. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0. Then again 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. I'm going to have 3 by 4, right? So once again, 8 1 by 4%. So you first multiply. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33 by 4%, right? So this percentage I have to convert it, right? So it will be now divided by 100. Now if you look here, there is no common, so just multiply. The numerator will be left as it is. Then 4 ones are 4 into 100. I'll get here 400, or it is equal to, the fraction will be 33 by 400. Let's do question number 3 also. Convert the following decimals into percent. Decimals means numbers when it has a point. These are called known as decimal numbers, right? So decimals into percent. Okay, same thing, I have to multiply. Alright, so you can see multiplied by 100, right? So let's do the what is that? Let's do the multiplication. 0.17 divided by 100, right? I'll be doing for 1, and then the rest you'll get the idea. Clear? So 0 into 7, 0, 0 1 is 0, then 0 into 0, 0. Same thing again, there's another 0, right? So 0 into 7, 0, 0 into 1, 0, and then 0. Then 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1, and then 1 0, right? So I'm going to have here 0 0 7 1 0. After a point, how many? 2, right? Which means 1 2. So here. Clear? So 0 1 7 simply means 17%. Clear? So you have to do the multiplication for the others. Alright, so it's multiplied by 100, right? Which means the point is here. The point, if you look here, 1.53 multiplied by 100. How many zeros? 2, right? So the point is here. It will go 2 places, 1 2, and it will be here. Or in other words, I'll get 153. Clear? Same thing, 0.06 into 100, right? So 0.06 into 100. How many zeros? 2, right? The point is here, so 1 2, it will go here, right? Which means I'll simply just be having 6%. Clear? So do the same thing here, 0.005 into 100. Clear? So 0.005 into 100. 2 zeros, right? So point is here, 1, 2, it will come here, which means I'll have 0.5%.